I sell on both. Kate sells on both. And I think the thing about the US is very easy to sell on it because you just send your products there and, you manage your marketing, but there's no, it's not a challenging process. So I recommend, depending on what you're selling, that there's no reason why you can't start in both markets. Probably not at the exact same time, but launch in one, and then there's no reason why you can't sell in the second one. With that said, you have to have the money, the capital to put into it. So if it means that you're going to be getting stock to get sent to America and Australia, but then you've got no money left for your marketing, then no, don't do that. Just focus on the one market. And I guess the last thing to add to that is make sure the product's going to work well in both markets. It really should, where you sell it should really be dictated by what your competitors are doing, and also, whether or not whether or not it's got legs in Australia, whether or not there's the good search volume on that in Australia.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.